So I'm going to try to record this. Not sure that the rain in the background may drown me out. So basically what we have is a rainstorm. And that should do our water test for us. So I'm going to hang out here for the next, I don't know, 10 or 15 minutes and see if anything comes through. So far so good. All right, a real quick update. I've been in the van now for about 22, 23 minutes, and it's been raining pretty hard, off and on. Got nothing, not a drop. So I think initial test, we're in good shape. I'll come back out in the morning or tomorrow, maybe later tonight if it clears up, and just see, make sure it stayed. One thing I wanted to mention, earlier in my earlier video, I mentioned that I wanted to check, there was like a groove or something, but that's all external to the frame. So it may get water in it, but it can't get into the van. So good progress. That's a wrap for today.